Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. I am at the Gulf Pointe of Naples on Vanderbilt Beach in North Naples, Florida. This is a timeshare property, and I really never knew much about the place until the other day. I took a photo of the swimming pool, which you'll see here in a little while. Never knew what it was. I'd always see it from the beach and wonder what it was, but it's quiet now since Hurricane Ian unleashed his fury on our coastline. But I've actually come to know, just in the past couple of days, some of the people that actually stay here, vacation here, and it's pretty interesting. It's like its own little community, a family. These folks stay in touch with each other while they're not vacationing here. It's just amazing, and I just wanted them to see this in a little more detail. I hope I don't get in trouble for doing this, but I know what it's like not knowing what a big part of your life is like, what's going on, being in the dark, so to say. I've actually gone online and I've checked social media and Google looking for pictures of this place. It was beautiful. An older building, but it was beautiful. The parking garage downstairs here. They had a beautiful, beautiful back lawn with a little cheeky hut for functions. It was gorgeous. That's all gone now. And from what it looked like they had little buffets set up out here. It looked like this was the recreation room. These glass doors are still here. They made it through the storm. Little recreation room downstairs. I think they had a cute little kitchen down here, community room, community center. But all the gorgeous landscaping back here is gone. They're right next door to the Floridian Club, which you can see they got their lawn chairs set up now. The Floridian is open. They still got a lot of cleanup work to do, but they are having guests inside the Floridian Club over there. Slowly coming back to life here. It's going to be a long time before we get back to normal. Whatever that might be, the new normal. I'm gonna sneak through the garage of this place and show you the swimming pool on the other side of the building, and then give you a view from out on the beach. But I wanted you to see the back of the place here. This is really for the benefits of the people who would call us home for probably a couple months out of the year, from 2 weeks to who knows how long. The Gulf Pointe of Naples. It's not about gloom and doom here. Hopefully I will have an awesome recovery story here to share with everybody. Just lots of work to do. Think positive, think positive. Think Naples Strong. That's what it's all about, being Naples Strong. I don't think I'm doing anything bad here. Ooh, windy. Sorry about the wind. I'm doing this for the benefit of the owners here. That water came right through here, right through this lower floor. So sad. Thinking about all the good times that were had in here, man. We'll come around to the pool behind this wall here. This is the south side of the building, and as you can see, the pool is filled with debris, filled with sand and debris, piece of fencing. We're coming back, my friends, we're coming back. Give you a look at the south side of the building here. And we'll just take a peek at the building, a look back from out on the beach. I bet a lot of folks saw some gorgeous sunsets from those balconies. Like I said, I hope we get to update this video and show an awesome rebuilding process and show you all new Gulf Point. Never used to be able to see this seawall back here. And like I said, I hope I don't get in trouble for doing this, but I just thought it was a nice little service that I could provide to my newfound friends at Gulf Point of Naples. Hey, thanks for watching. Tally ho, my friends, tally ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Robb Stan. God bless. Figured I might as well let you see the beach on this beautiful Wednesday morning in paradise. Looking good, looking good. Hey, tally ho, tally ho. Stay positive. God bless.